Welcome to our exploration of cubes. A cube is a three-dimensional shape that has some special properties. Let's take a look at what makes a cube unique and explore its geometry. A cube is a regular polyhedron with 6 square faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Each face of the cube is an identical square. The vertices are the corners where the edges meet, and the edges are the straight lines connecting the vertices. Let's take a closer look at the properties of a cube. All 6 faces are identical squares. All edges have the same length. All faces meet at right angles. All internal angles are 90 degrees. The volume of a cube is calculated by cubing the length of one edge. Volume equals a cubed, where is the length of any edge. For example, if a cube has sides of length 5 units, its volume would be 5 cubed, which equals 125 cubic units. The surface area of a cube is 6 times the area of one face. Since each face is a square with area a squared, the total surface area equals 6 times a squared. If a cube has edges of length 5 units, each face has an area of 25 square units, and the total surface area is 6 times 25, which equals 150 square units. Cubes are everywhere in our daily lives. We see them in dice, ice cubes, Rubik's cubes, and building blocks. In mathematics, cubes are important for understanding three-dimensional space volume concepts and for visualizing cubic equations. The cube is one of the 5 Platonic solids, which are regular, convex polyhedra with congruent faces of regular polygons and the same number of faces meeting at each vertex. So to summarize what we've learned, a cube is a regular polyhedron with 6 square faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. The volume of a cube is calculated with V equals a cubed. The surface area is calculated with S, A equals 6 times a squared. And a cube is one of the 5 Platonic solids, making it a fundamental shape in both mathematics and our everyday world.